I'm gonna try to pull down these big pegboards today. I am pretty sure they're just glued up, and I have multiple crowbars. So I'm just gonna start with trying to pry them down. If you're seeing this video, this means I didn't hurt myself while trying this. I put the scaffolding up against the pegboard I'm gonna try to pull down first, in case I'm wildly successful at pulling it down and it falls off the wall. It won't squish me. It'll hopefully fall into the scaffolding. See, I'm taking safety precautions. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. I definitely think I need to put on safety glasses and a mask because there's weird crap flying out from behind that, and I haven't even pulled it down yet, but this feels good. Okay, this is pretty overstimulating, having my photo safety goggles and mask on, so it's better be worth it.